How to verify BingX account step by step. Are you on BingX and want to unlock higher withdrawal limits, improved security, and full access to platform features? If yes, verifying your BingX account is an important step. First of all, launch open BingX application on your mobile device, or you may also visit BingX website and log into your account either way. Once you're logged into the homepage of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. You'll then come across this interface where you need to go ahead and look for the verification button under settings. If you haven't verified your account yet, you'll see unverified button right next to verification. Tap on it, and on the next page, click on the Verify Now button to complete identity verification to unlock more features. Click the Verify Now button and on the next page, follow through the on-screen instructions. You'll need to answer some of the questions such as the country you reside in and tap Continue. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and upload your identity document and take a selfie. Click the Continue button at the bottom of the screen in order to follow through the instructions. On the next page, go ahead and select your country where your identity document was issued. After choosing your country from the menu, select one of the document type from the bottom. You can choose an ID card, passport, or your driver's license for your country. Select any one option. Now in the pop-up, you'll need to click Allow so that you can allow access for BingX to your camera. And now you'll be able to see this front of ID option. Go ahead and take a photo of the front of your ID by tapping the shutter icon. And if the document is readable, tap on Document is readable. Now you need to take a photo of the back side of your document. And once done, click on Document is readable once again. And then your data will be submitted. The next thing you'll need to do is to position your face to fit the frame. Place your face in the circle within the frame and you'll be able to scan your Face ID. Once you're done with your face scan, the system will review your document, and if you are successful, you'll be able to pass your KYC verification right away. Verifications usually take a few minutes to several hours, but in some cases up to 24 hours. Once you are done with your successful verification, you can now go ahead and make your first deposit by tapping the deposit button, and you will also be able to receive 500 USDT. So that's how you learn how you can verify your BingX account. Once verified, you'll enjoy higher limits, better security, and smoother trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.